Alex van der Meer. I feel like you all are relatives, or my mom has all paid you, right? Everybody there. As you can probably hear from my accent, I come from Belconnen. Yeah, that's a good one. I'm gonna keep that one. I can leave now. I'm also a PhD student, a volunteer bush firefighter, and a hybrid. No, that doesn't mean that I can transform into a vagina-looking car, right, and drive through the city, yeah, without putting any emissions. I'm biologically a hybrid. Is there any biologist here? You know what a hybrid is? It's the offspring of two animals of different varieties. That's the biological definition of a hybrid. In my case, the two animals were a Spanish mother and a Dutch father. Probably that has given me double nationality. I always had double citizenship. And I know that if one of them had been Australian, I could be sitting in Parliament right now. But hey, don't get offended, don't get offended. Because 2 weeks ago, I became Australian. And I know that it was my contribution to the Bush Firefighter Brigade what gave me the Australian citizenship. That and $7,000 of application fees. Anyway, I wanted to celebrate my Australianism, right? And the best way to celebrate my Australianism was doing it in a very Australian way. And what is there more Australian what is the most Australian thing that you can think of? Beer close by. The Bunnings sausage sizzle. Yeah. And I know there is another comedian around who doesn't need any course making jokes about the Bunnings sausage sizzle, right? Because he went and ate a snack there with his mates. But that's not the way to integrate, going to the sausage sizzle. To really integrate, you have to organize the Bunnings sausage sizzle. And that's what I did. I wanted to chip in, mate. So I called Bunnings, and I told them I wanted to organize a fundraiser for my brigade, the bushfire guys, and I wanted to organize a Bunnings sausage sizzle. And this lady asked me whether I had any experience with Barbies. And I said, yeah, my daughter has plenty of dolls. Look, I'm a middle-aged white man. Yeah, I'm a bush firefighter. The last thing I was gonna do is ask that lady for help, right? So I had to pretend I really knew. But to be honest, what I did is what every other PhD student would have done. I Googled it. So, and these were my search words, right? How to organize a successful, try this later at home. If you go on Google and type how to organize a successful, Google comes already with Bunnings sausage sizzle. It's plenty of students, PhD students, right? Yeah, you lot, but try it later, yeah? And when you do it, you will see that in the top of the list, the highest hit, you know, like Google gives you the most rated whatever, the top one was fundraisingmoms.com.au. And I'm Spanish, right? And I thought, who am I to disbelieve a mom? Yeah. As a Spanish boy, I know mama always knows best, right? So I followed fundraising moms to the letter, right? And I have to quote them. I actually have to paraphrase them here. To organize a successful Bunning sausage sizzle you will need? And they said 400 to 600 sausages, yeah, enough loaves of bread, 10 kilos of onions, yeah, 200 plus drinks, blah, blah, blah. And they had a nice tip, right? If you're organizing your Bunning sausage sizzle in a large store, expect larger quantities. But I thought, Belconnen, a large store in Canberra? No way, mate. 600 sausages will do. So that's what I did, right? So I rock up there. You all have been at Bunnings. You all have gone to the sausage sizzle. You know how it is, right? There are two people there making the sausages. The third one is putting the sausage in the bread. Yeah, the fourth one is counting the money, right? No plastic gloves. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. So that's what I was doing. And everything was going great. Yeah. Actually, that guy over there is the guy that was putting the sausages in the barbie. Right? Can you see that all firefighters are real hot? So everything was going well, but at one point I saw that we were running out of bread, right? And you can feel the fear coming, right? I just had my citizenship and I was fucking the sausage sizzle. My biggest fear was to tell this big 6-meter foot bloke, right, with tattoos, can you go again to the wheelbarrow section before my mate is back from the Jameson Baker? But so I was getting really scared, and I had made my maths, right? 600 people, 600 sausages, right? 35 loaves of bread times 18, that's 630 pieces of bread, slices of bread. It should go well. So what was happening? So I was really nervous, and I turn around and I see there, besides Ross, a big pile of crusts. Yeah, in the immigration test, nobody tells you about the fucking crust. And that really got me, right? being into the environment, you know, because I think that's the real reason of global climate change made down under. Piles of crust waiting to be thrown as a landfill every Saturday. Yeah. Do you know how many Bunnings stores there are in Australia? It's 249 Bunnings stores plus 33 centers, right? That's 740 crusts every Saturday. Can you imagine the amount of Toyota Prius that we could have mitigated? So anyway, from now on, if you really want to change the environment, don't buy the eco-friendly car, eat your Bunning crust. Thank you very much.
Alex Vandermeer! Woo!